Today we have the 2022 Target Red Edition cars. Now I know a lot of you guys, especially myself, don't get a chance to find these at the Target stores. Normally our friend Brent finds them for us, and even last year Brent had a really hard time finding them. I don't think he found all of them for himself. So I know he only brought me like 3 or 4 of them, maybe. So Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV. Today we have the 2022 Target Red Edition cars. Now I know a lot of you guys, especially myself, don't get a chance to find these at the Target stores. Normally our friend Brent finds them for us, and even last year Brent had a really hard time finding them. I don't think he found all of them for himself. So I know he only brought me like 3 or 4 of them, maybe. So I would have to look. I think it was 3. But the Target Red Edition cars, of course, like I said, are really hard to come by. And the only reason I have them is because I got them from the 2022 Hot Wheels Master Set. So, of course, another reason for getting the Master Set, if you can get it. But let's take a look at them. And we're going to go, there are 12 cars in the set. And let's get right to it. First one up is the 73 BMW 3.0 CSL Race Car. And that is done in red enamel. It has a black painted hood on it with dark gray and white stripes on it. Got a supposed to be white circle with this black 73 in there, but it's kind of pink on this one. And also on the door, it's pink. So if you have one that's white, let us know, because a lot of times that the red will come through the white and make it look pink. But yeah, if you got one, put in the comments below. The side has tampos that are gray and black and white. The interior is black. Windows smoked really dark on this. Base is white plastic, and let's see, the headlights are not done up, but the headlights are black plastic, and they go with the interior. And the rear taillights are black plastic also, which go with the interior. Wheels are blacked out MC5s with a chrome ring around them, small ones all the way around. And that is number 1, the 73 BMW 3.0. Number 2 is the Volkswagen Beetle, and that is done in black enamel. Has a red stripe down the hood, or the trunk, whatever you want to call it on the VW. And there's also a silver circle, which is the VW emblem up by the windshield. The headlights are chrome, and they're part of the chrome plastic base. The front bumper and rear bumper, again, are part of the chrome plastic base. The interior is red plastic. Windows are clear, and it has wood grain paneling on the side. There's also a red tampo on the side, which is the Hot Wheel logo above the front wheel. The wheels are blacked out classic 5-spokes with a red chrome ring around them. And let's see, that is it for number 2, the Volkswagen Beetle. Number 3 is the 76 Greenwood Corvette. And that's done in a nice dark red enamel. It has white stripe on the hood, the roof, and the rear. There's also a 22 tampo on the hood. The front lights are the same as the windows. They're tinted dark. If you look through the tinted headlight covers, you can see the white plastic base. Interior is white also. And let's see, the tampos on the side are white and red and black. And the wheels are blacked out MC5s, big ones in the back, little ones in the front, with a chrome ring around them. And that is it for number 3, 76 Greenwood Corvette. Number 4 is the 56 Ford F100, and that is done in flat black. It has red and silver tampos on the hood with a chrome supercharged engine sticking out of it. The interior is chrome. Window is got a light tint to it, might even be clear. The tampos on the side are a really dark red with silver, black, and white. The wheels are chrome aero discs, got big ones in the back, little ones in the front. The base is red plastic. Nothing for detail on the headlights or the taillights. And that is it for number 4, the 56 Ford F100. Number 5 is the 83 Chevy Silverado. That is done in a nice dark red metallic. Has white and orange and black stripes up on the hood. Got white stripes up on the roof. And the orange and black stripes go down the side along with the white stripe. It has black Hot Wheel logo on the back of the box and has a dark red RED for the red edition in the black stripe on the bottom there, next to the rocker panel. The interior is black plastic along with the bottom of the bed, where it has the C-notch and air tanks back there. The window is clear. The base is chrome, and that goes with the front grille and front bumper. The wheels are blacked out MC5s with a red chrome ring around them, and they are large ones all the way around. And that is it for the 83 Chevy Silverado. Number 6 is the 1999 Honda Civic Type R EK9. And that's done in red enamel. Headlights are done up really nice. The got a Honda logo on the nose. Tail lights are done. Has a license plate back there. The interior is black plastic. Window is tinted pretty good on it. The base is black plastic. And the wheels are blacked out PR5s, small ones with a red chrome ring. And that is number 6, the 99 Honda Civic Type R. Number 7 is the Subaru WRX. That is done in black enamel. Has gray, red, and white tampo on the hood. There's also gray, red, and white tampo on the side with a Hot Wheel logo, and the RED on the rear quarter panel behind the rear wheel. Interior is black. Windows smoked pretty good. The base is a very dark gray, and let's see. Wheels are red chrome 10 spokes, small ones all the way around. And that's it for number 7, the Subaru WRX STI. Number 8, the Automobili Pininfarina Battista. I probably messed that up. But hey, I tried. All right. This is done in red enamel. Headlights are done. Got a white and black stripe, goes from headlight to headlight on the nose. Tail lights are done really nice on this. Has a license plate back there. Interior is black, and the windows are very, very dark, smoked. Also has a very dark gray painted roof on it. The wheels are the new style chrome swirls, and the base is black plastic. Now I remember, I thought we had a name for the new swirls. So if you guys remember what it is, put it in the comments below so I can remember. All right, thanks. And that is it for the number 8, the Automobili Pininfarina Battista. Number 9 is the Porsche 935, and that is done in white enamel. Has two red stripes on the nose. Has the Porsche emblem on the nose also. The side has a black circle with a white 70 in it. There is the red RED in front of the rear wheel, black Hot Wheel logo behind the rear wheel, and there are red stripes up on the top of the quarter panels. There is a black interior, very dark smoked windows, and a black plastic base. Headlights are not done, the taillights are not done, and the wheels are red chrome BBS wire wheels all the way around, small ones. And that's it for number 9, the Porsche 935. Number 10 is the 2018 Camaro SS, and that is done in a nice, really dark candy red. Man, that is beautiful. I love that color. Got white tampo on the hood with white pinstripe. There's 2 white pinstripes on the roof and down the trunk lid. Side has white stripe also and some white pinstripes. There is a silver Hot Wheel logo on the behind the front wheel on the front fender, and a bright red RED in the white stripe. The interior is black. Window is smoked pretty good. Nothing for headlights. The front grille is part of the black plastic base, or it could be part of the black interior. I don't know. Probably the base. And no taillights detailed either. The wheels are blacked out MC5s, big ones in the back, little ones in the front, and they have a chrome ring around them. And that's it for the 2018 Camaro SS. Number 11 is the 65 Mustang 2+2 Fastback, and that is done in gloss black. Has stripes, 2 kind of wide stripes on the hood, the roof, and the trunk lid, and kind of a weird looking red on it. Also has a red stripe down the rocker panel on the side. Has the red RED behind the rear wheel, along with a red Hot Wheel logo, and got silver door handle and a silver Mustang emblem behind the front wheel. It also has silver hood pins on the hood. Interior is dark red. Window is clear. The base is black plastic. The headlights are not done up, and the taillights are not done up, nor the bumpers either. The wheels are the really nice chunky 5-spokes, blacked out 5-spokes, the small ones all the way around, with a red chrome ring around them. And this is definitely a good looking little Ford. That is number 11, the 65 Mustang 2+2 Fastback. Last one up, number 12, is 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. And that is done in a nice dark red metallic. Has the Ram Chargers white stripes up on the roof and the trunk lid. Got, Hemi outlines on the hood. The side says Ram Chargers in white over black. Says original Ram Chargers, and has black lettering underneath it with a black Hot Wheel logo. There's a Mopar decal on the rear quarter panel. Interior is black. Windows are tinted pretty good. No detail on the headlights or taillights. The base is black plastic. The wheels are the chrome classic 5-spokes, and got big ones in the back and little ones in the front. And it also has a white RED logo on the B pillar above the quarter panel. So there you have it. There are all 12 of the Target Red Edition cars. Like I said, they're so hard to come by. I don't know why, but they just are. Everybody I know has a hard time finding the complete set. Luckily, I was able to get the master set this year, and I was able to show you all 12 of them as they are. So that is it. All right, cool. please subscribe. Please give us a thumbs up. It helps the algorithm so everybody gets a chance to see our stuff. And please share our videos. Please tell your friends. And of course, please be kind to one another. So until the next time we see you right here at Hot Wheels TV, really appreciate you guys stopping by. I hope you guys take care. All right, we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.